dual clutch transmission fluid. Really tight space going in with the iPhone. So right under the drive shaft, this bolt right there, that is a size 8 Allen wrench. I have a little tube extension from a pipe we cut up and my mallet hammer. You're gonna need these. So if we're going under this way, splash guards off and everything, you can see that top black guy is a fill. The bottom one's a drain. I popped them both loose already, so I knew what I was getting into, and not too bad. So I do have the socket style hex bits, but they do not fit in here because they're too long, so I had to use a standard Allen wrench. And yeah, so no problems. You are going to need to get it into the fill port, which can be difficult. I'll have a link in the description to one of these guys that we're gonna use in a second. If you don't have some Allen wrenches, I'll have a link in the description to a simple set like this. This is my golden set. Hide it, I don't wanna lose anything. When in doubt, having them all organized will save your butt. Let's get our drain pan ready. And we are using the multi-DCTF dual clutch transmission fluid. This is good for a lot of applications, not just dual clutch situations. It's a great product for this car's transmission fluid. So you're gonna use almost 2 of these guys right here. And the way you know it's full, you pump the fluid in the fill port until it starts to pour out the top. Once it starts to pour out the top, we know it's full, then we can screw it in. And then when we drain this fluid, we're going to make sure that we have the top fill cap off, so we have air running through it and all of it will come out and none of it will sit in there. If you've never done that, that wasn't super clear. The fill hole, you pump the fluid in there until it starts to seep out of the fill hole. So where you pump it in, you keep pumping it in until it starts seeping out of the same hole, and then you can put the plug on. That's the only way you know it's full. I bought this stuff from Panda Motorworks. I'll have a link in the description. They make a full maintenance package for the Focus ST, and that includes step holder NGK spark plugs, motor oil, and the transmission fluid. A perfect thing to get at the 50,000 mile mark. We're at 55,000 miles. I know they have it for the Focus and Fiesta ST and a couple other models, and they're building more soon. So make sure you check that out with the link in the description to save yourself time, and you get the good stuff. This is a very awkward thing to do, but it's not difficult, it's just awkward. Got rubber gloves on from Harbor Freight. I'm actually able to go in from the side on the top one, luckily, and save some time. Doesn't look like it's in bad shape. That's a good sign. If it was super black, I'd be kind of concerned. This transmission honestly hasn't had a hard life. It runs really good. All right, I'm gonna lower the car, get it level, so we can get as much out as possible. Got some draining out of there still, perfect. We'll let it sit for a couple minutes. While that's drying, let's see if we can get our pump on here. Let's hope it screws on. Oh, beautiful. After being patient, we got both of the bolts tight. Everything's ready to rock. slide our drain pan out from underneath here. All right, we got our level. Let's go ahead and start it up. Let it idle for a little bit and make sure we don't got any leaks. Right there. I think that's just from spilling though. Everything seems fine thus far. It's been about 5 minutes. Let's check one more time to be extra safe. I don't see any dripping where it was before that I cleaned up. Everything seems good, so we're gonna throw the wheel back on and we'll be back on the road. Just like that, we have some Motul transmission fluid in this car that's already super smooth. It's gonna drive even smoother. My old Mazda Speed 3, I did this change and it was even a little smoother shifting. I really enjoyed it. I know you guys will like it. Having that Motul in there is awesome. It's gonna make this car run even smoother, stronger, reliable, and I can know that things are gonna be plenty well lubricated. So it's super important to have good fluids in your car, especially when you're running it hard. So I encourage you to go out and buy this maintenance package, link in the description. If you are new here though, the KarmaSpeed Garage and brand is all about building confidence in the garage, learning one car at a time, sports cars, everything we need to know before buying them to after owning them, working on them in the garage. So if that's what you like what you see, you like learning, you like just going into things head first, hit that subscribe button and check out what we have to continue on from here. Also, I just want to bring a little side note. If you guys are watching this far, I appreciate it more than you ever know, but I have a question for you. We're rebranding KarmaSpeed right now. I'm looking to make an icon. I've been working on with a designer for a while, and I'm having a hard time coming up with like, what is the Nike swoosh of the KarmaSpeed brand? Let me know what you think in the comments. It'd mean a lot to me if you stopped and took your time to do that, of what you think it could be. That'd be huge. I want this to be something that everyone loves, and that's something that like so simple that we can use for the next 5 to 10 years and just go crazy with clothes and designs and stuff like that once we get this icon in place. So I appreciate you, and have a good week, day, night, wherever you're at. Take it easy. I'll see you on the playlist on the screen. Peace.